WWWOT on time live. Otis Lee.
Play my music, master of music.
I want y'all to see this. Look what he's doing. He's blowing all the debris from a rear yard over here on my car. See it? See it? Look at here. See all the debris he got in here? Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. He's blowing all the debris in my tires. Look at this. Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. Look at this. Under my car. Why can't he just blow it out here at the road? Look at this. See, this is what I be talking about. You try to treat a man right, and he come back later on, and he just desecrate your car. You see this here? Law enforcement. Look what he's doing. He putting it all under my car. Look at this. Look at this, Julie. Look at this. Why can't he just, look at this. Look what he's doing. Look at that. Why he blowing it under my fucking car? Look at this. Why is he doing this? Why is he doing this, everybody on YouTube? Look at that. Look what he's doing. YouTube, tell me, why is he doing this here? Why? I try to be a good man, a good person. The people come in. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. Let me zoom in on his ass. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? You see this here? Now, how he supposed to get this from under the car? You see it? See, this is what I be talking about. I be looking for God. Because in the old days, I would have went out there and kicked his fucking ass. Look at this. Why he gonna do it under the car? Now all this debris is up in my car. I just want people to know I can be humble and I can be a God's child. But when you get a motherfucker like this, it's just fucking with you. See it? See what I mean? See where he's at now? Why can't he do that from the beginning, push around the car? You see this, right? Oh, he think that's supposed to do good? What about on the other side of the car? See? Come around. Now look what he's doing. Look at that. What sense would that make? See, this is the shit here that really pissed me off. This is the stuff here that really pissed me off. That's the stuff that really pissed me off. Guys come to your house and they vandalize your property. Now look at that. Look at this shit. Now I got to go out there and wash my car off, get all the sand out of my fucking tires. You know what I'm saying? Out of all my tires. Got it? And then they say, why do Otis keep documentation of everything? Let me tell y'all something. There's a war out here in Central Islip. And the war is the people that is doing your grass. Now look at that. I go out there and I'm going to move the car. This is going to be video one. They do this every Thursday. Any other time, I have gotten in the car and went to get my wife. See, when you get rid of one devil, another devil comes. WWWOT on time, live Otis Lee, Red Tablecloth. I'm trying to stay humble, but you motherfuckers out here just making me. Hey, let me tell y'all something. Fuck you. WWWOT on time, live Otis Lee. Red tablecloth.
Baby,